The smartest and most mysterious creatures on Earth, the dolphin. With a sleek body built for speed and a smile that seems almost human, dolphins have fascinated people for centuries. But behind that playful appearance lies a powerful survivor of the sea. Dolphins are not fish, they are mammals. They breathe air, care for their babies, and live in close family groups called pods. Some pods travel together for life, protecting one another from danger and hunting as a team across the endless blue ocean. What makes dolphins truly extraordinary is their intelligence. Scientists have discovered that dolphins can recognize themselves in mirrors, solve complex problems, and even communicate using unique whistles.